Okay, so set this right here. I'm sorry, that other video I deleted. See, oh, we spotted our challenger. Awesome. This is the front. The back looks newer than the green one, like the one I talked about. I forgot his name, but this is for him the video, so share this for you. Oh, this is the dog. Ranger. His name is Ranger, so he'll come. I'm trying to scare him. Yeah! He just walks away from it. He doesn't really pay attention to it. Oh, it's so windy out here. So yeah, so these are some pictures of it. Nah. and this. Hyperchargers. Thank you, and thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.